Guys, I'm back again. This is my Honda Civic that is really dirty, and I'm not going to have this car for too much longer, so I thought I'd test out a post that I've been reading online about how to clean your engine bay. I've had many cars, probably close to 20 cars in the last 20 years, and I've never, well, I tried 1 to 3 weeks ago, but I've never really done it because I've always been afraid of it. So online, it's basically, I'll post a link in the description below. It says to just cover the electrical components, cover components that obviously you don't want water to get into, and use an engine degreaser or Simple Green. I just chose to use this one. This is going to be for the vinyl stuff, like the air filter cover, and then the plastic is going to be used. You'll see I'm going to protect all this. The fuse box, the battery, the distributor cap, and then I'm not going to get, try to not get as much water that I can around here, and I'm just going to spray it liberally with the degreaser, and we'll see how it works. All right. You have to do scrubbing with a brush. I'm just about to rinse it off now, but you can see that some of it probably needs an extra bottle. It doesn't look like it's really coming off, but I mean, this car has 155,000 miles, so this is not the worst I've seen, but it's pretty bad. All right, let's rinse this off. Again, I'm not using any extra pressure, trying to watch all the electric components. This is the parts that I scrubbed a little. Looks like this needs some elbow grease. That's coming. So, parts in there, you gotta scrub it. So let me scrub it and see how it looks after. Scrubbing only gets so much off, so I'm taking a rag to other things that I can wipe off, because it kind of just, scrubbing at some point without more degreaser just pushes the grease around. So I think with a little more hand wiping, it should be good. Take these things off and turn the engine on and run it so to evaporate everything, and we'll get an after shot. For 1 can, and using the 303 UV protectant for the plastic parts, looks pretty good. I gotta tell you though, if you're gonna do this, you're gonna have to rub some of these things, because the grease is not gonna come off. I mean, you can see, like right here, you know, it doesn't get shiny unless you, it's not gonna just come off with that spray. I kind of hoped it would do that, but I guess I'm not surprised. So I think what I'm gonna do, because I want to really get this stuff down here, this and all that, you can see all that, it's still like really greasy, so I'm gonna probably do another can, and I'll hopefully I'll add this to the end of the video. Alright, well I guess I must say that works, because it definitely does look better than it did before. Alright, see you in the next video. Alright, so it starts, little squeak from the belt, there's some smoke, but I'm not too worried about that. It's probably just, it's just evaporating. Nothing to be scared about, I hope. Alright, bye.